Oh!
Huh?
Then my head hit the wall. Boom!
Blossom, why are you looking the house?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
They're gonna hit it. Whoa! They made it!
Don't wrap the tongue. No!
So our keepers have on this team, so this is our West Savannah team. They work.
Whee!
Waiting for a good day.